11 November current affairs. First question is, which short range ballistic missile did India successfully test recently? Answer is Pralaya. Second one, when is Ayurveda Day celebrated? Answer is 10 November. Third question is, recently PV Sindhu laid the foundation for world class badminton center in which city? Answer is Visakhapatnam. Fourth one, who has been elected as the President of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry? FICCI. Answer is Harshavardhan Agrawal. Fifth one, what is the name of the joint military exercise conducted every year between India and Australia? Answer is Ashtra Hind.